Hello viewers, welcome to Anwitas Cookhouse. We are starting our first season named Anwitas Classics. It's all about publishing traditional and ancient delicious recipes. Delighted to share our first recipe today, nothing but traditional Andhra sweet, sampangipuvvulu, or even we can call this as panasapoolusweetrecipe. Let us see the ingredients required for this. Firstly, in a bowl add 1 cup maida, 1 tablespoon baking powder, quarter teaspoon of salt just for taste and 1.5 tablespoon of hot oil. Give it a good mix and make sure of no lumps. Sprinkle some water and knead into smooth dough. Once the dough is kneaded well, divide the dough into equal portions and make small gooseberry-sized balls out of this dough. Make sure the balls are soft and no cracks on the outer surface. Once done, roll these balls to thin rectangular shape. Now, cut this vertically into 2 equal halves using a sharp knife. Now, using a sharp knife, make slits lengthwise, leaving one side intact as shown in this video. Once done, twist each slit and fold to half from the other end. Repeat the same process for all the slits as shown in this clipping. Remove little portion of the dough from the other side and roll it again to make it appear like a bird. Once done, this shape appears and resembles like sampangi flower or champaca flower. Repeat the same process for the other half as well. For preparing sugar syrup, add 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water and 3 cardamoms. Allow this sugar to dissolve and boil till it comes to string consistency. Once done, stick the edges of these flowers as it doesn't separate while we are frying these. Heat oil in a pan and fry these flowers until it turns light yellow color. Keep your flame low while frying, and once they turn yellow, separate from the oil and dip in sugar syrup. Repeat the same process for other flowers as well. Allow them to rest for a while till the sugar crystallizes. Hope you loved this simple, delicious and classical snack. Let us see the tips and tricks to make it perfect. First tip regarding sugar consistency. When the consistency becomes thick, after cooling add a tablespoon of water and heat it again to get a right consistency. To prevent cracks and dryness on shaped flowers, place a wet cloth before frying. Want to get a perfect recipe for the first time itself? Then don't forget to follow these tips and tricks. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified for our second recipe in season 1, Anwitas Classics by Anwitas Cookhouse. Thank you and bye bye.